The craziest dream I've ever had was owning my own outfitting company and taking clients on their dream hunts, and also getting to do that myself as being the owner. I do pursue it a little bit. I'm a brand ambassador, so I wear their camo clothing during hunting season. I'm a very dedicated outdoorsman. During October, November, December, you probably won't find me anywhere but up in a tree. And I just love spending time outside. So my biggest professional dream would be to help build my own computerized maintenance management system and help customize it for Gerdau. We're not using a third-party app or system. We're actually using something that was built for Gerdau that we use here at Gerdau solely. We dream big.